Here is a beginner-level marketing manager quiz that covers market research and analysis, target audience identification, and branding and positioning. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary goal of market research? A. Increase sales directly. B. Gather data to understand customer needs and market trends. C. Create advertisements. And D. Reduce production costs. Answer: gather data to understand customer needs and market trends. Question 2. Which type of market research involves directly interacting with customers? A. Primary research. B. Secondary research. C. Observational research. And D. Predictive analysis. Answer: primary research. Question 3. What is an example of secondary market research? A. Conducting customer surveys. B. Using government reports for industry insights. C. Holding focus groups. And D. Interviewing potential customers. Answer: using government reports for industry insights. Question 4. Which of the following is not a method of gathering qualitative data? A. Focus groups. B. Surveys with open-ended questions. C. Observational studies. And D. Website analytics. Answer: website analytics. Question 5. A SWOT analysis helps businesses analyze A. Their budget and expenses. B. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. C. Their marketing team's performance. And D. Competitors' pricing strategies. Answer: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Question 6. What is the purpose of competitive analysis in marketing research? A. To copy competitors' strategies. B. To identify gaps and opportunities in the market. C. To eliminate competition. And D. To increase production speed. Answer: to identify gaps and opportunities in the market. Question 7. Which metric is commonly used to measure brand awareness? A. Customer retention rate. B. Net promoter score, NPS. C. Brand recall. And D. Lead conversion rate. Answer: brand recall. Question 8. What is a target audience? A. Everyone in the market. B. A specific group of people most likely to buy a product or service. C. Only customers who have previously purchased. And D. The group of competitors in the industry. Answer: a specific group of people most likely to buy a product or service. Question 9. Which of the following is not a key factor in defining a target audience? A. Age and demographics. B. Personal interests and behaviors. C. Competitor pricing. And D. Geographic location. Answer: competitor pricing. Question 10. A customer persona is A. A fictional representation of an ideal customer. B. A list of all existing customers. C. A report on past sales performance. And D. A competitor's customer profile. Answer: a fictional representation of an ideal customer. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the main advantage of segmenting a market? A. It reduces advertising costs completely. B. It allows businesses to tailor marketing messages to specific groups. C. It eliminates competition. And D. It guarantees immediate sales. Answer: it allows businesses to tailor marketing messages to specific groups. Question 12. Which of the following is an example of behavioral segmentation? A. Segmenting customers based on age. B. Dividing the market by income level. C. Grouping customers based on purchasing habits. And D. Categorizing by geographic region. Answer: grouping customers based on purchasing habits. Question 13. A niche market is A. A small specialized segment of a larger market. B. A market with no competition. C. A market where businesses set random pricing. And D. A market with declining consumer interest. Answer: a small specialized segment of a larger market. Question 14. Which tool can help businesses understand online audience behavior? A. Printed customer surveys. B. Excel spreadsheets. C. Google Analytics. And D. Business cards. Answer: Google Analytics. Question 15. What is the primary goal of branding? A. To increase production costs. B. To create a unique identity that differentiates a company from competitors. C. To make advertisements more expensive. And D. To limit product variety. Answer: to create a unique identity that differentiates a company from competitors. Question 16. A strong brand identity includes A. A unique logo, consistent messaging, and clear brand values. B. Random colors and fonts in marketing materials. C. Frequent changes in brand messaging. And D. No clear distinction from competitors. Answer: a unique logo, consistent messaging, and clear brand values. Question 17. What is the purpose of a brand positioning statement? A. To describe financial goals for the brand. B. To define how a brand wants to be perceived by its target audience. C. To list products and services the company offers. And D. To track employee performance. Answer: to define how a brand wants to be perceived by its target audience. Question 18. What does brand consistency mean? A. Using the same messaging, design, and tone across all marketing channels. B. Changing brand colors frequently. C. Promoting multiple brand messages simultaneously. And D. Copying a competitor's branding. Answer: using the same messaging, design, and tone across all marketing channels. Question 19. A company's tagline is an example of A. A customer segmentation tool. B. A product pricing strategy. C. A brand positioning element. And D. A market research method. Answer: a brand positioning element. Question 20. A key factor in measuring brand positioning success is A. Sales performance, B. Employee satisfaction surveys, C. The number of advertisements produced, and D. Customer perception and brand recognition. Answer: customer perception and brand recognition. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.